Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and do enjoy while sewing, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. In video today, I'm gonna share with you all how to sew a tiered dress with puffy sleeves and full lining. Autumn is coming and the weather is cooler. That's the reason why I made this dress, because this dress looks cute, pretty and feminine. I don't know, I just think it's perfect for fall. I love the result turnout and hope you like it. Okay, let's get started. Before starting sewing, I want to talk a little bit about the skirt. This dress will be divided into three parts. Part 1 from the shoulder to the first tier. Part 2 from the first tier to the second tier. The width of part 2 is 2 times as much as part 1. Part 3 from the second tier to the bottom. The width of part 3 is 2 times as much as part 2. And the length of each part are here. Okay, from those ideas, I draw the budget. Like always, I draw a normal shirt. It's just like this. And from the shoulder, go down 15 cm. I draw a horizontal line from the armhole out, and I got the first part. And below part will be the original piece of the second part. From the front, I draw the back side. Go up 1.5 cm from the shoulder. Then, from the armhole of front and back side, I got the original sleeve. I will divide the original sleeve into 8 parts and paste them into a new paper with a distance of 4 cm at the top and 2 cm at the bottom. To make this dress, I picked up a kind of organza fabric with tiny florals in blue and dark blue. These look like a flower field. For the lining part, I'm using a kind of fabric in cream color, but I don't know what material. I think it's made from polyester on small, but it's really thin and smooth. Okay, let's cut our fabric. Now, you can see here, I got 4 pieces of part 1, 2 pieces of front side, and 4 pieces of back side for main part and lining part. I'm starting to connect shoulder together for the main part and lining part too, by sewing and low locking. Next, I'm gonna place main part and lining part on each other with right side together and stitching from the back side along the neckline to the other back side. Then, I'm using a pair of scissors to snip around. Turn the right side out and press it flat and nice. Now, I'm working with the second part. It means the first tier. I'm going to stick on top of this part by sewing machine. Then, I'm gonna grab the thread on top and pull it to gather fabric. How to match it with the width of the bottom of the first part. For the second tier part, just doing the same. And the width of second tier is fixed with the bottom of the fourth tier. After that, I'm going to connect part 2 and part 3 together by my sewing machine and overlocking by my serger. Let's do the same on the back side. Then, I'm gonna place front and back side on each other and connect both sides together by sewing and overlocking. Next, I'm working with the bottom. I'll fold fabric at the bottom 1 cm to the wrong side and stitching by sewing machine. Now, I'm using a pair of scissors to cut the excess fabric right beside the stitches. Then, I'm going to fold one more time and stitching to finish the bottom. Moving on to the lining part. The lining part starts from the first tier and the width of it is same with the first tiered part, and the length is shorter 15 centimeters than the main part. Okay, I just got to the top, connect both sides and hand the bottom, just like the main part. Now, it's time to connect part 1, tiered part and lining part together. I'm gonna do with the front side first, and then the back side, sewing them together and overlooking by my soldier. Moving on to the sleeve, I'm starting to sit on top and got a fabric like the tiered part. Then, I'm going to connect both sides together by sewing machine and overlooking by my soldier. For the lining sleeve, I cut shorter 2 centimeters than the main sleeve and do the same like the main part. Now, I cut some elastic, connect the end together. Then, I'm gonna pin this elastic onto the bottom of sleeve and stitch it. Next, I'm going to put the lining part on the main part with right side together and stitching bottom together. After that, I'm keep going to stitch right beside the elastic to hide it. Okay, turn the right side out and stitching on top to keep the main sleeve and lining sleeve in place. Moving on to the last step, I just pin the sleeve into the armhole, stitching and overlocking to finish. And here the final result. I absolutely love this dress. It's not sexy, not exposed any my skin, but it's looked really pretty and flowy. It's made me more feminine, gentle, and elegant. Hope you like my tutorial and see you next Thursday. Bye!